Section 4. Build a streaming RC decoy mini car with a Pi 0W. In this section, we will build a video streaming RC car that has a blistering speed and also serves as a mini decoy car or as a reconnaissance one by having video streaming capabilities. Parts needed. In this video, we will go through all the parts and tools needed in order to finish this project. First and foremost, our RC car. This will serve as a perfect platform for our project. It has a good suspension and loads of space for mounting our components. These are really easy to find, and opposed to building it from the ground up, is cheaper and it saves your time as well. It comes with a radio transmitter, which will help us in controlling our car. Also the original batteries, which we will change with a larger one. The motors on this little thing are really quick, so it ticks all the marks we need. The board of choice is Pi 0W. The size of it makes it perfect for this project. This will stream our footage from the car. Speaking about the footage, we will make use of this PS3 camera. You should be able to use any USB webcam. The viewing angle is not that bad, and it does help a lot the fact that it's very light. To power up the Pi, we will use a normal micro USB cable, on which we will add this 2-position light switch in order to power on and off our Pi. We will also need a micro USB hub so we can connect our camera to the Pi 0. A micro SD card with an adapter for our OS. If you plan on recording footage locally, get a bigger SD card. I plan on screen capturing the footage, so I go with a 4GB one. To power everything, we will use this 10,000 mAh battery. It has enough power for both our consumers. It has 2 power outputs, and in this way, we will be able to power the car and the Pi from one source. Some 22 gauge wires. These are a bit thicker than the ones you find inside the USB cables. They can be found in old PC PSUs, or even better, from old PC ribbon cables. We will also need some solder. Try and get some lead-free ones, and no thicker than 0.9mm, to make your life easier. A soldering iron, make sure you got a pointy tip and you can go up to 300 degrees. A hot glue gun. Some wire strippers. These are not necessary, but they are nice to have. A small handsaw and a clamp for some case modification and cutting the wires. And lastly, a small screwdriver.